Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. So this is day 10 of Learn English all year long without break. Wait, if you are watching me first time, then welcome to my Sagan's English channel. So in this channel you will get my practice videos and in future you will get the tips and tricks of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Like, okay, so I have taken a challenge. The challenge name is learn English all year long without break. It means I will learn whole year without skip a day, um, and I have to upload daily practice video on my YouTube channel. In this channel, so the challenge is like that. So this is day 10 of learn English all year long without break, and in this video I am going to talk about a clear goal. Okay, a clear goal, I mean goal, lakshya, clear goal. So clear goal gives direction to life. uh, every successful person has every successful person has uh, one one thing common is a clear goal. Okay. mm, Clear goal gives us direction and purpose to our efforts. Without a clear goal, we may stay busy but not productive. Uh, we move but do not move forward. Uh, Many people say that I want success, but they don't define what success what success mean to them. Mm, a clear goal answer important questions like what I do, what do I want, why do I want it, by when I do want to achieve it. The question is like that, right? So when our plan are when our goals are specific, it becomes easier to make easier to make easier to create our plans, right? So planning is the bridge planning is the bridge of bridge between um, goals and achievement. Okay. So when we plan about our goals, we know how to do that, how it work, how to do that, how to work in this goal. We learn so many knowledge of that category. In that topic. Okay. Mm, so and oh, it is important to mm, it is important to no, I mean uh, the another important factor is flexibility. Yes, the another important factor is flexibility. mm, Plan do not work exactly as expected so many times. Okay. uh, in that situation, instead of quitting, we should recreate our plan, adjust our strategy, and moving forward. uh, Persistence is essential for long term success, right? So mm, the another important important uh, the another important topic is, in goal, uh, it is important to track our progress. When we measure our improvement, we stay focused and consistent. Even a small improvement can encourage us to um, do better than better than before. And uh, and uh, another uh, when we measure our improvement, we have we got learn what is important, and okay, and we do more efforts on that goal. uh, okay, I mean, yes, I know you feel weird when I say okay, because okay is, you know, very rudely sound this word. mm, क्या करें भाई, हम भी बिगिनर ही है, बीच बीच में वो निकल ही जाता है, ओके, यस, अबाउट, टॉपिक, कुछ भी निकल जाता है मुँह से, ठीक है। ये मैं थोड़ा रट के आता हूँ ना, मतलब मुझे टॉपिक नहीं मिलता तो मैं लिखता हूँ कॉपी में, आई रीड दैट टॉपिक इन माई कॉपी एंड ट्राई टू रिमेंबर, नॉट आई ट्राई टू रिमेंबर एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। थोड़ा 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 रट्टा मार देता हूँ, क्योंकि सब कुछ रिमेंबर करना इजी नहीं होता, ठीक है। हर दिन नया नया टॉपिक लाता हूँ मैं, ताकि बोरिंग ना हो। बोरिंग क्या होंगे यार, देख तो नहीं रहे, बोरिंग क्या होंगे वो अलग बात है कि देख नहीं रहे, देख रहे होते तो क्या पता बोरिंग नहीं होते। अगर देख रहे हो तो यार एक सब्सक्राइब कर दो, क्योंकि आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, इवन आई हैव नॉट इवन ए 1 सब्सक्राइबर। ओके, thank you so much, thank you so much, and that was my day 10. um, if you interested, if you interest on this topic, I mean in this my YouTube channel, then you can subscribe. मैं तो कहूँगा सब्सक्राइब करो ही यार, हाँ, मेरा चैनल है, आई वांट टू ग्रो अप। ओके, thank you so much. I will meet you in the next video. I will meet you in the day 11 of learning this audio long with a break. Thank you so much. Bye bye.